A. This is A. What is this? This is A. A for apple. A for apple. This is B. This is B. What is this? This is B. B for ball. B for ball. This is C. This is C. What is this? This is C. C for cat. C for cat. This is D. This is D. What is this? This is D. D for dog. D for dog. This is E. This is E. What is this? This is E. E for egg. E for egg. This is F. This is F. What is this? This is F. F for fish. F for fish. This is G. This is G. What is this? This is G. G for gas. G for gas. This is H. This is H. What is this? This is H. H for hen. H for hen. This is I. This is I. What is this? This is I. I for ice. I for ice. This is J. This is J. What is this? This is J. J for jug. J for jar. J for jar. This is K. This is K. What is this? This is K. K for key. K for key. This is L. This is L. What is this? This is L. L for lock. L for lock. This is M. This is M. What is this? This is M. M for mug. M for mug. This is N. This is N. What is this? This is N. N for net. N for net. This is O. This is O. What is this? This is O. O for old. O for old. This is P. This is P. What is this? This is P. P for P. P for P. This is Q. This is Q. What is this? This is Q. Q for quill. Q for quill. This is R. This is R. What is this? This is R. R for rat. R for rat. This is yes. This is yes. What is this? This is yes. Yes for sun. Yes for sun. This is T. This is T. What is this? This is T. T for toy. T for toy. This is U. This is U. What is this? This is U. U for uncle. U for uncle. This is V. This is V. What is this? This is V. V for van. V for van. This is W. This is W. What is this? This is W. W for well. W for well. This is X. This is X. What is this? This is X. X for X-ray. X for X-ray. This is Y. What is this? This is Y. What is this? This is Y. Y for yak. Y for yak. This is Z. This is Z. What is this? This is Z. Z for zero. Z for zero.